Muraho neza, nitwa Jovite, nkaba ndi umwarimu muri Action Driving and Language School. Ikigo kibafasha kubona ubumenyi cyane cyane kugira ngo mubashe kubona certificate zibafasha kujya mu bihugu bitandukanye bikoresha Icyongereza. Yes. Hano turabafasha rero mu buryo bwose bushoboka. Mbere na mbere nukubigisha kuko hari abazi ururimi ariko kuba bamenye ukuntu bakora ikizamini bikabagora. Turabafasha rero muri ubwo buryo bwose, tukabafasha no gukora registration, kuba twabandikisha kugira ngo mubashe kubona iyo certificate kandi mubibone mufite n'amanota mwifuza. Yes, dutanga certificate zitandukanye z'Icyongereza rero. Imwe muri zo hari iyo bita IELTS. Yes, ni certificate igufasha kuba wajya mu bihugu cyane cyane bikoresha ururimi rw'Icyongereza, harimo nk'Ubwongereza, Canada ndetse na Australia n'ibindi bihugu, ariko aho ngaho niho ikoreshwa cyane. Dufite n'indi bita TOEFL. Yes, ningi nayo igufasha kujya mu bihugu bikoresha Icyongereza ariko mbere na mbere Amerika ndetse n'ibindi bihugu bikoresha Icyongereza cyane nko mu university bakoresha Icyongereza niho barayisaba. Ndetse nanone kugira ngo ubone visa hari aho bagusaba kuba ufite iyi certificate. Dufite n'indi bita Duolingo. Nayo iramenyere muri no minsi ariko ntabwo iragira ntabwo abantu benshi bayizi cyane, ariko nayo turayitanga kandi iroroha, uyikora igishaka cyose nayo kandi iremerwa mu bihugu bikoresha ururimi rw'Icyongereza. Yes, hari n'indi bita SAT. Iyi ngiyo ikoreshwa n'abantu bashaka kujya kwiga muri university ariko bakaba bashaka admission cyangwa kwemererwa kwiga mu mashuri cyane cyane muri university, gutangira university yabo. Yes, turabafasha rero, nimutugane mubone inzozi, mugere ku nzozi z'ubuzima bwanyu, mugenda mu bihugu bitandukanye kandi mugira impact ku miryango yanyu ndetse no ku buzima bwanyu nk'uko mubyifuza. Murakaza neza rero muri Action Driving and Language School. And then in this morning I want to share with you more about IELTS. Then, do you want to go abroad, mainly in Canada, in UK, in Australia? Yeah, the answer is easy. It's just to get an IELTS certificate. And IELTS certificate. What do you know about IELTS? It's just International English Language Testing System. Yes. So, it's a certificate which can be done by someone who wants to go abroad, mainly for different reasons. It can be the reason of academic purpose. Yeah. For academic purpose, someone has to search for what we call IELTS academic certificate. IELTS academic. Yeah, we go for this one. But someone also wants to go there for just traveling purpose or other immigration purposes, like job purpose. She has to go for IELTS general training. Yes, general training. Yeah. When I say academic, it's just for someone who wants to go to study in university or for masters. But for general training, it's just for job opportunities or when you want to travel for different purposes. Yes. So for this IELTS general training, it's kind of easy. Yes, because they don't trust you to get more knowledge in English. But for IELTS academic, this one is a different general thing, which are less to the academic. Yes. So then, after that, let me provide to you a little bit about its structure. Yes, what can you get in this certificate? To ace it and get more, score as you wish with Action Driving Language School, because it's made easy. Here, it's easier. We help you, we support you in that way of getting your life-changing opportunity through IELTS certificate. Yes, so the structure is this one. It has 4 tests. We have listening test, we have reading test, then writing test, as well as speaking test. Yes, and here in the classroom, we just get much more of this. First of all, through the practices. Through practices, we really believe that you can get much more knowledge about different practice that you'll be having, different questions that can come in the day, on the test day, just during this test. Yes, for the listening then, it just they want to know if you're capable to listen. Yeah, by listening different accents, mainly the British accent, because when you be there, you be in the condition as with native people. So we have to get that listening test. For the reading, they have to assess that you are able to read, either for the academic one or other purposes. Yes. Then for the writing, they just want to test you if you're able to communicate through writing. If you can be writing a good composition, a good essay writing. Yeah, that's what you're asked to do here in the writing. Then for the speaking, finally, it's just the interview. And it's one of the best tests that you can have. And it's also combined because you have to listen and speaking. But it's kind of interview part. Like for IELTS, you have to sit for the interview, sit in front of an examiner, and then you'll be talking to him. Yes, simply that's the structure that you have in IELTS. Yeah, and then you can ask yourself, how many score can someone get to get an IELTS certificate? Yes, so the best score is band 9. Yeah, this is the band which can get, and yeah, which is the highest one. And then the minimum one is band 5.5, which is required by many universities. Like any university that you can have, band 0.5, it can be the one. But for us here, we don't aim this one. For us, we aim band 7. Beyond band 7, because that's where you can get what you really want, and that's the opportunity that you can get starts from this one. When you get this score, you are just really assured that you can get what you want. Yes, so this is the one that we have for IELTS, and then if you want to get more, please join us. We are really welcoming you in this class, and I will be glad to have you. Welcome to Action Driving and Languages School. Thank you a lot.